In this video, we'll be diving in the subject of paint correction. We'll be removing this scratch with this extra heavy grit cutting compound. Paint correction is a term used by detailers to describe the process of fixing swirls, scuffs, and scratches. You most likely know this as buffing or polishing. What causes swirls? Swirls are actually fine, thin scratches all over the paint that reflect back with light. They make cars look dull by diffusing the light and dulling the reflections. Swirls are caused by dirt and other contaminants rubbing against the paint. Low quality towels, dirty towels, and dirty wash sponges can cause very serious swirling. Automated car washes are at the top of this list of causing swirls. Their goal is speed and efficiency, not quality and effectiveness. How many times have you seen dozens of cars waiting in line for the automated wash? How many cars is that per year? Hundreds? Thousands? Now think of all that dirt, rocks, and grime stuck on the car heading in before you. That gets all over the automated brushes about to slap themselves up against your car. Then the low-grade towels are reused over and over again outside. Now you understand why they're commonly called the swirl-o-matics. How can I prevent swirls? For one, you can learn proper washing and care techniques, or two, this is where a professional detailer comes in handy. We are skilled with all the products, equipment, and materials to maintain and prevent paint damage. Once the damage is done, it is permanent. Whether it's swirls, scratches, sun, or chemical damage, it will require paint correction to remedy the situation. How does paint correction work? Paint correction is the mechanical leveling of the clear coat or paint to the point where all the paint is free of swirl marks and light scratches. We do this with a machine polisher, a polishing pad, and a polishing compound. How much does paint correction cost? For a vehicle that is a few years old with minor neglect, we expect 4 to 8 hours or more, which can range from $400 to $1,000 plus in cost and labor. These are just averages, and an actual estimate can be done in person under the proper lighting conditions. There are many levels to paint correction, from very light to medium to absolute perfection. Contact us anytime to discuss the paint defects that have been bothering you.